We need a plate or tray and raw rice. I spread rice inside on the plate, and then we can use our first finger. First, we practice the letter T. It's very easy and simple. You can see you are able to watch. First, make a one down and down. First, make a one down and down, and then make a hat on the head. I will show you. Did you see? Nazar aaya? Very nice. Very good. It's easy and simple. Again, we will spread it with our hand. First, we write it one, that is down and down. Time table देखिए. Copy में back side पे रखो. Check this. And then make a head. Then make a hat. Very good, Zan. Well tried. Abbas, Hassan Abdullah, Ahmed Reza. Do practice. It's very easy and simple. And I again repeat, always when we are writing the sound or letter, we can trace on the right plate. होप कि जब आप लोग स्कूल आ जाएंगे फिर आपकी ये परेशानी फिनिश हो जाएगी. Very good, Ahmed. Very nice. Then make a one first. One is down and down. Yes. Then make a hat. Yes. Abbas, do practice. अपनी कॉपी ढूंढे जॉन शेल्फ पे देखें बैग में देखें. Hassan Abdullah, you are not doing practice? Very nice. Good job. Abbas, use right hand बेटे. Right hand use करेंगे. अभी 10:45 हो गई. 9:49. 9:49. Yes. Now look at the second step. Firstly, we do practice of the letter T. Now we are doing practice to sound T. Same like T, come straight down and turn little. And then make a hand. Again I am telling, first I spread rice, come little down and make a turn, then make a hand. It's a turn. अहमद, आपने अपने कैमरा क्यों उल्टा कर लिया बेटे? इसको फिक्स कीजिए. Very good. Now everyone bring your literacy worksheet pack. Very good. Literacy worksheet pack. Bring your literacy worksheet pack and open the page number 1515, which has sounds. Bring your literacy worksheet pack and open page 1515. And if you have a color pencils, so you can bring it. Today we are tracing with the color pencil. Yes, open the worksheet page number 15. On that worksheet, we had a th sound.
नहीं तकिया रहा नीचे तकिया रखे वाला जो आपके पीछे तो लिखना है ना, लेटना का है अभी, जल्दी रख. पंखा बंद कर दो, तो गर्मी लगेगी. चलो अम्मी जैसे बोले ऐसे करना. ठीक है, टा पढ़ो. टा फॉर टाइगर. टा फॉर टाइगर. टाइगर नहीं तो क्या आता है? ठीक है, टा टा. चलो बच्चे कुछ हम पढ़े. क्या रखो कलर, देखो सब बच्चे कर रहे हैं.
Just a minute, I am sharing a screen, then you can see the clear picture. And you write it, okay? Just a minute. Yes. This is the worksheet which we doing today. Which sound is that? The sound is T. The sound is T. You can keep your both jaws up and down together like this and push your tongue from the back side. आपकी जो tongue है उसको अपनी teeth के back side से push करेंगे. So your sound will come. T. T. Everyone say it. T. 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 I'm not saying to write. I'm not saying to anyone to write.
चलो बोलो
सब पहले टीचर को सुने और स्टॉप राइटिंग हो जाए.
था स्टॉप कर
मैं बार बार रिपीट करती हूँ, फिर बता रही हूँ.
पहले बोले
मकसद काम को कंप्लीट कराना नहीं होता, हमारा मकसद बच्चे को सिखाना होता है. So first you listen how you write. और एक दफा आप राइट फॉर्मेशन सीखेंगे ना, for that for whole life. ये आपकी सारी जिंदगी के लिए होगा, ठीक है ना? तो आप एक दफा अच्छे से सीख लें.
अब तो नींद नहीं
Now
है.
look at the screen. When we are writing ta, so first of all, we can come down. Come down.
कैसे बनाना है सब देख रहे हैं आप.
सीखेंगे स्ट्रेट वन लाइन. स्ट्रेट देखो, ये देखो वन लाइन.
मैं कुछ बताऊंगा.
Ta is down and down. Ta is down and down. You remember we write it one,
is down
that
and
is
down.
down and down. Ta is down and down. Turn a little. Come down straight
उसके बाद
and turn a little. Turn a little and put a line across. And put a line across.
Cross.
Ta
Down
is
and
down
down.
and down.
And
Turn a little and put a line.
आता है आपको आता है. सही है ना मैं कर रही हूँ.
Now everyone
क्या
trace
सब कर
the,
रही हो? अच्छा,
trace the thick one. जो सबसे ज्यादा thick था है उसको trace करें.
चलो करें. चलो करो.
The color which you like most. जो color आपको अच्छा लगता है, you can use it. And nobody color the writing letter, okay? Color नहीं करना होता उसको. You can move your hand straight down and down, turn a little, and then make a line across. When you finish, show me first, okay? मुझे दिखाएंगे, फिर मैं आगे आपको बताऊंगी क्या करना है. Very nice. After writing the thick one, you can write the small t sounds which appear in the downside. Look at this. Okay, I am changing my pencil color. Come down and down, turn a little, and put a line across. Abbas, your turtle is sleeping? It's your baby? Nice. Wow, he's sitting also. Is he talking? No, Abbas is talking all the time with turtle, Anna. Am I right? Now write it all the t sounds which appear in the downside with any color or pencil which you like most. Abbas, you done the work? Show me your work. Very good, very nice. Which sound you traced? Speak up.
Pick up. तो मतलब बेटा थोड़ा
Abrish, show your work. You did it. Muhammad Ali Ghazi, you joined the class. You are here. Thank God. Why you lay down on the bed? Everyone is sitting. Look at your friends. Very nice, Zan. You did great job. Just wait for a minute. Your friends will finish. Then we go forward to the other work. Muhammad Ali Ghazi. Look at the
Mohammed.
teacher.
मोहम्मद सलाम क्या मैं टीचर को मोहम्मद
No, मोहम्मद ने तो सलाम भी नहीं किया टीचर को आज.
मोहम्मद मोहम्मद दरअसल यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की अभी लाइट आई है इस वजह से ये पहला सेशन भी नहीं ले सके
ओके
क्लास का
ओके. अच्छा, अब आप इनको बिठाएं और इनकी जो लिटरेसी वर्कशीट पैक है उसमें पेज नंबर 15 को ओपन कर लें.
चलें ठीक है उठो मोहम्मद
मैं भी कैसे लिखूं
We are doing practice of writing th sound. Very nice, Abresh. Show me again, bete.
ठीक है क्या
Abresh, show me again. Very nice. Good job.
ये बहुत इसको बड़ी छूट के मुझे मेरी बहुत ये बहुत ये मेरा छूट सा भाई
So, did you finish this worksheet?
चलो बस finish good job
Just wait for your friends. They also finishing that. Then we
okay
go to next work.
wow
Now, after completing the
better
worksheet,
तो सीन में रहते फिर कर देगा
turn the next page.
कटल क्या
The
खाता है
page number appears 102, 102. I will share the screen as well.
प्लीज इसको अपने मुंह से कट कर दे
Now open this worksheet, which next to the third sound page. Page number 102. It's appear on the page number 102. Yes. On this worksheet, we are writing the letter T and the sound T together. On the first line, we can write the letter T. On the second line, we can write the sound T. How we write it? First of all, you see the screen. इससे पहले आप लोग सब स्क्रीन पे देखें. First of all, we can trace the given dotted T. First, you make a straight line down and then make a hat on the top. After tracing, you can write 2 times. And remember, when we are writing S sound, teacher tell to you, make a 2 dots on the top line and then start writing from there. Come down. Come down. स्ट्रेट आएंगे, ठीक है. मेरी स्क्रीन पे पूरा क्लियर नजर नहीं आ रहा, मैंने शायद आगे ही बना दिया था. ये वाली लाइन. Yes, now look how we write it. Come down and just a minute. Come down and down and then make a hat. Again write it. Come down and down. Then make a hat. It's mean 1 time you can trace, 2 time you can write by yourself. Everyone is going to mute. सब mute हो गए, इसीलिए तो आवाज ही नहीं आ रही मुझे किसी की. जल्दी जल्दी से सब मुझे करके दिखाएं.
मोहम्मद जल्दी से लिख के दिखाएं टीचर को. मोहम्मद लिख के दिखाएं जल्दी से. कैसे कह रहे हैं? जल्दी 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 सब हटाएं, कार्स वार्स हटाएं, लिख के दिखाएं. सही से समेट उठ के बैठे.
चलो यहाँ पे
जल्दी
sound
से
down
लिख के
करो.
दिखाएं.
Muhammad Ali Ghazi, write it fast.
मोहम्मद
When you write it fast, you will be winner.
Miss Seram, we cannot hearing your voice.
जल्दी से आओ, जल्दी उठो.
Okay, I think मैंने सबको unmute किया है तो मेरी आवाज फिर नहीं जाती है. I will mute all of them.
ये करो कैसी है.
Now you hear my voice.
ये क्या कर रहे हो रजा? रेजर दो.
Look at the screen and try to write. First, come down, then make a hat. Very nice, Abrish. Upper one, you write it very well. Now come to the downside. And we are using the another color. I am using the color, but you can write with the pencil. क्योंकि आपको स्क्रीन पे दिखाना होता है, इसलिए मैं कलर को यूज कर रही हूँ. Now you can see when we are writing ta here in between 3 lines, so we can start from the downside of first line, a little down from the first line. I am tracing, look at my one, then you can do your one. Now come down and down. Okay, what teacher says, one, come down and down. Then little turn. Put a line across. Follow the teacher one, how teacher writes. Okay, after tracing, you can make 2 dots. 2 dots. And then start from the dot. Come down and down. Okay, after down and down, a little turn, then put a line across. Again, I am writing with myself. Come down and down. Turn a little. Put a line across. It's a tur. It's a tur. Tur is for turtle. You can find the picture of turtle. Tur is for turtle. Tur is for turtle. Tur is for telephone. Tur is for tea. Tur is for tomato. Tur is for taxi. Tur is for truck. Tur is for tissue. And tur is for tooth. Tur is for tooth. Tur is for tiger. Do it fast, do it fast. You just complete the first one. The second one is your homework, okay? So you complete your first one and show to me because we have to do another work as well.
Is this long or short? No.
Yes, someone is asking. Who is there? T is
Miss
for
Iram, can I
tiger.
read the storybook?
Sorry?
Can I read the storybook because the light has gone now 10:30?
When they complete, then you can. Just wait.
Okay. Okay.
5 to 6 minutes में तो हो जाती है reading. बस ये. Do it fast. Finish the first slot only and the second slot is for your homework. Yes, Mohammad Ali Ghazi, you show me the tiger. Where is your tiger? Show me. Don't lay down. Write with teacher. If you are not writing, so I will not talking to you. फिर मैं आपकी friend नहीं बनूंगी. Ahmed, show your work, बेटे. Zain, show your work. Very nice. Well done. Now close your worksheet and bring your storybook. It's time to read the story. After story, we can do the another word. Okay, fast करें. There is a problem with the electricity as well. Abrish, do it fast. अब्बास किधर चले गए? मुझे नजर क्यों नहीं आ रहे हैं? Yes, अब्बास ने डन कर लिया. Show your thumbs up, Abbas. You did it. Good. Now close your worksheet pack and bring your reading book. Go away, floppy. Yes, very nice. Good job. And you can, after class, you can do the coloring as well. Okay, Abbas? आपकी जो टर्टल का कलर है ना, वही कलर आप पिक्चर टर्टल पे कर दीजिएगा. But after class, not right now. Because right now, Miss Aishi will start reading. Fast. Bring your storybook. मोहम्मद अली गाजी, आज तो मोहम्मद अली गाजी ना मम्मा की बात सुन रहे हैं और ना ही टीचर की बात सुन रहे हैं, है ना? आज अच्छे बेबी नहीं नजर आ रहे मुझे. वेरी नाइस. हसन अब्दुल्ला, वेरी गुड. आई एम ऑलवेज कॉलिंग हसन अब्दुल्ला टुगेदर ना, सो क्योंकि मैं अभी तक कंफ्यूज हूँ कि कौन से हसन और कौन से अब्दुल्ला है, इसलिए मैं दोनों को एक साथ ही पुकार लेती हूँ. 50% जो है रिकग्निशन हो गई है कि कौन से हसन है. समटाइम आई एम कॉलिंग राइट नेम, लेकिन इंशाल्लाह जब हम स्कूल आएंगे तो फिर पहले दिन ही समझ आ जाएगा. यस. Zen, Abrish, very nice. Now close your worksheet, bete. Very nice. And bring your storybook. Now it's time to read the story.
Please share the.
Now everyone, look at the storybook.
Now everyone bring your storybook. Go away, floppy. The title name of this storybook is Go Away, Floppy. If you have no book, so please read on the screen. Go Away, Floppy. The title of the book name is Go Away, Floppy. Go Away, Floppy. Now, first of all, we are reading the flashcard, and after that, we are read the book. Go away. Go away. Go away. Go away. Floppy. 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 What is written in a yellow color? Floppy. Floppy. V. 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 Go away. Go away. Floppy. 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 V. 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 Go away, floppy. V. V. R. 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 Skipping. Skipping. skipping, skipping, painting, 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 come, come back, come back, come back, come back, sorry, 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 painting, painting, come back, come back, come back, come back, come back, sorry, sorry, sorry. This is a flashcard, and now we will read the storybook, all of you. Now everyone, open page number 1. Open page number 1, everyone. This is Keeper. He is busy on his work and the floppy want to play with Keeper. But Keeper say, go away floppy, go away floppy. Keeper say to floppy, go away floppy, go away floppy. He is busy now and he say to floppy, floppy, go away floppy, go away floppy, go away floppy. Now open page number 2. Page number 2, everyone. Go away floppy. The all kids are playing and they are saying to floppy, go away floppy, go away floppy. We are skipping, we are skipping. Go away floppy, we